Today is a beautiful day and the world is waiting for me. I always think and act immediately. I feel powerful and confident, knowing my actions today are creating a consistent and an ongoing momentum today, tomorrow, and the days after. I'm free of fear of rejection. Enough makes me feel comfortable and confident. I'm free of fear of. I'm very proud to be free of judging other people and comparing them to myself. I'm very proud to be free of worrying what other people think about me, making me happy, anxiety free, and successful. Every communication is a new opportunity to build a relationship and help somebody in need. Every time I sell my services, I feel excited and accomplished. I know right now that somewhere someone's life is better, more balanced, and joyful because of my mentoring and services. I feel empowered with this thought. I love taking action. I find it easier and easier to constantly improve myself personally and professionally every day. My positive affirmations, goal setting, and constant action taking make me an incredulously successful edupreneur. I love exercising every day. I'm in perfect health, have an amazing body with perfect BMI, fully aligned with my mind, heart, and soul. Doing yoga, pranayam, and daily rituals after taking a shower make me feel well-rounded and grounded. The benefits I receive from daily yoga, exercises, and prayer are uncountable. I feel amazing every day. I attract success. Good things are naturally attracted to me, and I feel prosperous and successful every day. Success comes to me easily, in abundance, and prosperity flows to me from every direction. I can wait to wake up each day knowing that success is guaranteed for me. I see opportunity everywhere I look. I feel overwhelmingly confident and positive with the abundance of opportunities. I rejoice in the fact that I am successful and will become more and more successful every day. Huge success is inevitable for me. I feel excited and confident each morning as soon as I open my eyes. I'm an excellent marketer. I know how to generate a constant stream of leads and money for my business. I'm an amazing copywriter. I know how to write a copy that grabs attention, pulls incredible results. I feel powerful, confident, and assured that my copywriting skills are awesomely successful. I love writing and sending out information to people. I know that right now, my students, I feel proud, powerful, and skilled. I love my family. I love being around them. I feel relaxed, at peace, and confident. I design and create the life of my dreams. My plans, goals, and actions build my destiny, and this makes me powerful and in control. I'm an unstoppable human being and I'm a self-starter who does not need any external force to motivate me. All of my motivation comes from within me. This makes me unstoppable, go-getter, and powerful. I'm proud of myself and my success. I have achieved a great deal, and this is just the beginning. I feel humbled and honored. I'm a powerful body, powerful mind, and powerful soul. This makes me feel smart and deserving of the world's greatest levels of success. I excel at whatever I do. I feel empowered and deserving. I'm at peace with the world around me. I feel confident, ready, and powerful. I accomplish more in less time than ever before. I have world renowned work ethics. I get things done in record time. I'm creative at helping others solve the challenges. I have helped other people improve their lives, and I'm proud of it, and I feel special. I always give 10 times more than what I'm paid for, as all my clients are happy and they spread good word about me every single day. I feel needed and loved. Abundance is my natural state. I see abundance everywhere I look, and I know that life will always be this for me. I'm a people and money magnet. Good people and huge fortune are attracted towards me every single day. I feel powerful and magnetic. Money flows to me easily, frequently, and abundantly. I deserve it and will be an excellent receiver of it. I feel in control and at ease. Money is a positive energy that takes care of my worldly needs and desires. I feel completely at ease, receiving and managing huge amounts of money every single day. My income is constantly increasing, and I deserve it. I create wealth with honesty and integrity. I feel proud and at ease with my business and everything that I do. I always have enough money for anything that I want to do in life. I am creative and make effective business choices. I feel intelligent and unstoppable. Money comes to me in unexpected and expected ways possible. I'm so grateful and joyful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. Money flows to me freely, really, endlessly, and in avalanches of abundance. I give myself permission to live an abundant life. I deserve it, and I will live the rest of my life from this possession of abundance and power. I love money. Money loves me. Money is sacred to me, and I do great things with it. The world is a better place because of me and what I do with my large amount of money. I feel confident, charged, and blessed. I release all doubts, fears, and negative beliefs about money. I release all my past beliefs that have limited me from becoming rich. I now think from a position of power and abundance. I'm rich and successful, and I deserve what I have and more. I easily and quickly learn lessons that life presents me. A setback, a struggle, or a failure to me is a stepping stone to win and a step forward. I feel at ease, happy, and confident. I'm always in the right place at the right time. I have a keen capacity to learn new skills that support my success. I feel gifted and deserving and calm. I embrace all change and use it for my higher good. I'm a magician who can bring success from any situation in life. I am rewarded for it. I feel magical. I acknowledge the blessings I have received in my life with gratitude. I feel honored, humbled, and grateful and thankful. I possess the wisdom, the power, the motivation, the inspiration, the passion to accomplish anything and everything I choose. I prosper in health and I prosper in finances. I prosper in love. I prosper in peace. I love myself, the people around me, and the world I live in. I love my life, inside and outside. And you. Thank you.